The next step for us will be to create a Swagger configuration file, and we need that configuration file to tell the framework which packages it needs to scan to look for RESTful Web Service endpoints so that it can generate for those RESTful Web Service endpoints an API documentation automatically. Okay, so I will go to my root package here, and I will create a new class, and I will call it something like Swagger config, and click on finish. Now this is going to be a configuration file, so I will need to add a couple of magic annotations. The first one is called configuration, and the second one is called enable Swagger tool, like this. And of course I'll need to import them. And the next few lines of code I will copy and paste so that I don't take much of your time typing, and I will simply walk you through. So let me import bean, let me import docket, documentation type, request handler selectors, and path selectors. Okay, so let me walk you through. This method here that we have added will need to return a bean, and inside of this method we are configuring an object which is called docket. So in this object we specify that this is going to be a documentation type Swagger, and there are a couple of important details that are provided in the APIs and in path. For APIs, here we specify classes which need to be included in Swagger. I provided the base package of my project, and thus I delegate the job of finding these needed classes to the framework. The base package here I provide will be scanned by the framework, and all the needed classes that it finds, they will be included based on the annotation that they have. And in the path here, we specify the methods which have this annotation add path, and these methods are found in the REST controllers that we have. So all the path selectors that we provide here, they will be included into our API that is going to be automatically generated for us. And since I want all the methods to be included in my documentation, I simply provide path selectors any. And this is it for this class. I will simply save this and we'll continue.